Hello everyone, this is Miss Isra with you. Today we are going to take a science lesson. It's about transportation. What kinds of transportation do we have? And how do they get around? And the last thing that we are going to take about is traffic lights. Now let's start. Now, what is transportation? Transportation is when we move or when you move from one place to another. Like if you were at school at الميقات school and then you go to your home, to your house, to your parents' house, to your mother, right? Most of you go by car from school to the house. You go by car or you go by the bus, right? So this is what transportation means. It means moving from one place to another. Now, transportation. What are the types of vehicles that we have to transport for transportation? We have ship. This is a ship through sea. It sails on water, right? We have a ship. We have airplane, right? We have airplanes, we have bicycles, we have car, we have train, we have a bus, right? Ship, airplane, bicycle, car, bus, train. These are the types of vehicles that we transport from one place to another through these vehicles. Okay, now transportation, how they get around. Now, what do these vehicles use to get around? Like, okay, this is car. Where does the car walk? It walks on the road, on the street. This is how a car moves. It moves on a road. Now, an airplane moves through air, fly up in the sky through air. Now, a train moves through railway. This railway, we see it all around in Jordan, in our country in Jordan, and the train moves on the railway, and the ship moves on water, right? On the sea, it moves on water. That's how it moves around. That's how this is how these vehicles get around. Airplane through air, car through the road, train through the railway, ship through water. Now, this is the same transportation, moving around. We have ship, airplanes, trains, bicycle, and car. How do they get around? Through air, road, railway, and water. Now, what is traffic light? Look, this is the traffic light. Okay, when you are on the street and you want to cross the street, the first thing that you do is look at the traffic lights and make sure there are no cars around. Traffic lights are made of three colors: red, yellow, and green. When you see the green light, the cars move. They move, so you stop so that they won't hit you. So the green light means for the cars to move. Now the yellow light means be ready to move. You move, but for the cars to stop. Be ready for the cars to stop, the yellow light. Now the green light, the red light, it means for the cars to stop. So, green, car, move, go. Yellow, car, be ready to stop. Red car, stop. It stops so you can move. We never cross the street when cars are moving. We never do that. It's not right. Why? Because a car may hit you and you may kill yourself. You may die. So you be ready. You be very, very cautious around the street. So now this is the traffic light. How do we color it? What's the first color, the second color, and the third color? You color it, then you send it to me. Stop, be ready, and go. Which is which? You color. Stop means red means stop. Yellow means be ready. Green means go. Okay, this was our lesson for today. Thank you so much for watching. I miss you guys so much. I wish to see you as soon as possible. This was Miss Isra with you. I hope to see you next year, inshallah. Please don't forget us. Thank you so much for watching.